Hey, what's up everyone? This is Ray from iPhone.png. And this is basically just a quick little tutorial. We had somebody send us an email, and we've also had several comments, people asking us, saying, hey, I want to start doing my own YouTube channel and start doing my own how-to videos and things like that. And they ask us, well, what do you use? What are you using to show or record your iPhone and what you're doing on the iPhone? Well, what I use is Display Recorder. And it can be found in Cydia. It is a paid application. I believe it's $4.99, maybe $5.99, give or take, but somewhere between, I would say between $5 to $8 is what it costs, and allows you to record things directly on your iPhone, directly from your iPhone. The only problem with that is it doesn't have sound. So once you record it, you move the file to your computer, and then you use a program to go ahead and then record the audio or narration of your actual video. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is you can do it on screen, basically, of your iPhone, which is another way of doing it. And a lot of people said, okay, well, that seems like it might be something I want to do. So here's what you normally get, and this is the Display Recorder. Now, right now, this is using my finger on my actual iPhone. I'm controlling it, okay? But I can actually click with my pointer, and I can actually go into different aspects of my iPhone and control it. So let's say I could go to, now one of the negative things with Display Recorder, if you're going to do it in this method, is it does stream through Wi-Fi. So there can be a little bit of lag between your actual what's happening on your iPhone and what you see on your screen, because it goes over Wi-Fi, depending on your Wi-Fi connection. If you have a better Wi-Fi connection, then of course it's going to be really good. You don't have to worry about that. But if you don't have a great iPhone, or pardon me, Wi-Fi connection, then it's going to go slower. But as you can see right here, this is going pretty quick. My connection is pretty good, so this is going pretty quick. So this is one way of doing it. Now, one of the other users said, well, I really like that. I like to, the fact that I can record what I'm doing on my iPhone directly from the iPhone, and then pull the file and put it on my computer. Or I have the option of doing a live shot with what you're seeing now on the screen. But I don't like the fact that it's showing such an old iPhone. This is like probably, looking at it, it might even be the original iPhone PNG. So they're like, is there any way we can get this updated for the iPhone 4? So sure, we can do that. So I went ahead and I made a PNG file, which I will put on our site, so that way you can download if you want, and then you can SSH into your phone and you can change this. So we'll go ahead and we will get out of here. So I'm no longer recording there, and then what we will do is you will use a program to SSH into your phone. There's many different ones. You can go to our site, go to the download section, and there's CyberDuck, WinSCP, iPhoneBox. There's several different ones that you can choose. Whichever one you want is fine. And this is, in this example, I'm using iPhoneBox. So basically, I'm going to raw var mobile, and then I will go into library, keyboard, Display Recorder, resources. Okay, now if you have an iPad, this is the PNG that you see when you do a live screen capture from a computer. If you're an iPhone, then this is the one you have here. So what you can do is you can right click on that one, you can delete it, hit OK, and then you'll copy the one from your computer. So copy from PC, this one's already on my desktop, and you'll copy the one that you want, hit open. Okay, then I can go ahead and exit out of here. I can go back to my Display Recorder, go back to live view, and now as you can see, it's an iPhone. So I did kind of rush through it, making this PNG. So if you want to brush up on it, if you're better than Photoshop than me, by all means go ahead and do it, because I did kind of run through it real quick. You can kind of see right here where it's kind of chopped off. If it doesn't matter to you, that's fine. But like I said, this is just a PNG now that you can see, and basically Now it looks a lot nicer because this actually symbolizes the phone I'm using, because I'm using an iPhone 4. So when you're doing your videos and everything, you'll see that it'll be an iPhone 4 instead of you having the actual video of the older iPhone. This will be the newer iPhone. So definitely, like I said, is a nice, simple little tweak that I decided to do because I had a few people asking, and to me it personally looks better. I like having to look at an iPhone 4, the newer version, the current version, rather than looking at the old one. So this is Ray from iPhone.png. Thank you very much.